Hey, this is Abu Kalam. In this video, I am going to teach you how to exactly install WordPress in cPanel in just 1 minute, just few clicks. So at first, I am going to cPanel. This is a dashboard. Then I charge for WordPress Manager. Then click here. Then you can see this is a one domain. Just I want to click for install. If you have a multiple domain, and you can see this is an option, but if you have a one domain, you are a redirect for install WordPress. So I select domain, so I select this one. This is a new site. I want to create a APK website. Then this is a HTTPS colon, then 622, then name site name, write a site name, example of ESREADS here, that's it. Then you can write anything here, this doesn't matter. Then you need to create a admin access, example of I create Mr. Kalam. Then I create a strong password. Then I recommend you can mix a capital letter and small letter, then a number, add the dot, hash, and percent, dollar, etc, etc. Then I go to here, then scroll down, then this is a install button, just click here. Then need 2 or 3 minutes for processing data. Wow, my WordPress installed successfully. Then I go to website. Then wow, you can see my WordPress installed successfully. So if you are a newbies in the channel, turn on a subscribe button